Hey everyone, so I made it into Homegoods and check this out right here. Isn't it absolutely amazing? This is gonna be $50, $49, and $99. I love it. It reminds me of like the old fashioned like clowns. I love that. And of course we have the silver, it's like a blue deer. And let me move this tree. Look at the bottom, has gems on it. It is all velvet. Martha Stewart Santa, look at him and his animal print for $20. That is so cool. I never seen that one. All glittered out deer, and we have Noel, and then a few more Santas. I know we've seen these trees before, but they're so nice. The glass ones, $8 for small, and the large will be a $13. They're just so thin. I do worry about, packaging, putting them away and everything. Oh, they're beautiful though. I do love them. Pencil shavings. You know what? I feel like Christmas is getting picked through already. It's really odd to see. Look at this nativity scene. It's like a felt one. I've never seen one. For $29 and $99. That's kind of cool. Really nice boxes, right? I love this. Let me turn it around. It says do not open until 25th of December. That's a good one. Then we have Merry and Bright, your bear spoon rest. Plenty here. $5.99. Look at this box. It's already made for you. I love that. If you're not a rapper, I am not. Candles with the red truck and tree are $8. Look at this one for $17. Oh my gosh.
It's like a baby mask.
What do you guys think of these? Aren't these really interesting to see? I've never seen this here, ever. Plenty of signs. Merry Christmas. They're beaded with the doggy. We have Love, Peace, and Joy with Mickey Mouse for $5.99. And here is a statue of a Minnie, which I think is really cool for $20. It kind of looks like it would be Jim Shore, but it's not the way it's carved like that. $20. No idea who makes it. Doesn't even say. Holly Jolly. And then gnomes. Hanging with my gnomies. And then another gnome ornament. $12.99. $13. Have an old-fashioned kind of Christmas. Season greetings. And Harry Potter.
That's weird.
Oh look, here's another sign. That one says joy on it. Believe in the magic, which I believe. And these are new. Galaxy greetings. How funny. Those are $5.99. I believe in Santa Claus. That's cute. That purple tree. I do love it. Oh look, they have the cone one. What was it, 25?
Yeah, they're 25.
These are 25, all blinged out on the bottom. Velvet on top.
Good morning, Homegoods shoppers. St. Jude's Research Hospital was founded by Annie Thomas in 1960.
A lot of pink stuff. Oh, these are my favorite. Oh wow, I haven't seen these this year. They're $50 here compared, from Dillard's.
Look at the Santa.
I love him. He's like, oh, he's singing in the shower. How's that part go on the elf? He's singing. I'm singing.
Every one of his songs sound like they start with I'm singing.
Yeah. I love it. And he has a cake for you. Santa is going to bring you a cake. And then happy. Oh, more doggy stuff. A lot of doggy stuff. Santa Claus is coming to town. And you know what? I've been finding these like boxes, but they're not vintage. I'm actually looking for the vintage. I haven't seen them yet here in Homegoods. His little chocolate cake, so funny.
He's 50.
And these are $8. These little tiny things. Oh, they're so cute. Here's one Santa. These are 17. I like how he's carved like that. Oh, he's missing something. Might be an ornament or bell. Here's another red one for 25. Made in Italy. Of course, redone for 20. It smells like cinnamon. It is cinnamon stick. And this one is a little different. I would love to have a whole hallway on the wall filled with this. You know, I think it'll be really, really neat and somewhat different. I know it looks scary, but it's so cool in the oddest way. These are 10 real marble, 1 snow globe on top. 'Tis the season and more felt Santas. Oh yes. Yeah, Christmas is just decor in this location is really, really different. It has dwindled down and we're only in November still. Really, really nice glass ornaments, handmade glass ornaments from Poland. Oh gosh, $5.99. Mouth blown. Gosh, you know these are my favorite. And you know, watching this stuff, how they do it, the videos, amazing. Love it. And 13, look at this snowman. He is so, so cute. And 13 for this Santa. It kind of looks like an egg. Little rounded oval Eggman. And 15, look at that castle. Is that like a Disneyland castle? Well, it looks like Cinderella castle. These are 5 here. They're ceramic. So you're going to get 2 and you can paint them. But you have to be careful. They're quite heavy. So this one is made in Germany, which is like actually really, really cool. Because you know how Tuesday morning they have this already by Martha Stewart. But I love it. I love stuff like this. So cool. $10 for the nutcrackers. Okay, this is really different. $29.99. You have a little crystal nutcracker. Well, he's not little. Look at his sword on the side. That is too cool. $130 for Santa in a chair. I want to say that's about right because in Dillard's they do have a Santa in a chair. And I spotted a gingerbread home. Oh, you know what? It is actually really nice, and it just reminded me of Duff versus Buddy, or Buddy versus Duff is going to come on. I do want to watch that, you know, where he's going to do a lot of cake painting. Oh, I've been watching all the Christmas holiday cooking shows. I love it. But I feel like we're missing like gumdrops. We're missing some colorful items in here, right? I don't know. We're missing something. And 100. Look at that little child holding the gingerbread. Yeah, it looks like the cake thing I was watching last night. You know, their cakes were falling. There was one good one that didn't fall. It was really good.
No, there was a crappy robot one. The whole arm fell off.
Yeah. Look at Santa in the back with a little gingerbread man. This is really cute. I like the texture on the bottom. It looks like he's on yarn. I like that. May this joyful time of year bring hope, peace, and cookies. This one's 10. Oh, here's Santa winking. This one reminds me of the ones from Pier 1. $5. That vintage green. More doggies. It looks like Winnie the Pooh in the back. I don't want to pull out everything. You know, stuff breaks. Look at this nutcracker plate. So nice. This is only $5. Let me see who makes it. I do get asked. He's really cute for $5. Look at his red scarf. Well, this one right here has a red scarf. Little green one. A little nut dish or something. And look, I see Santa. And then a few more nutcracker plates. Alright. Ooh, is this a Hello Kitty one? These are 8. Be merry and bright with the candle. That's kind of cool. These are nice too. I love it. North Pole bus tours. The double decker for $5. It's all penguins. All penguins live in the North Pole, right? That's really cute actually. It's just simple. It's a really simple one. I like that a lot. And here you get like the mug. Look at the fireplace. Looks like a little cat or dog. And then you get the bowl full of stockings. This is kind of cool. Mug and bowl breakfast set. That's actually really neat. More candles. This is 10 little serving dish. Oh, you know what? They have a nutcracker one. That's still cool. Those are $5.99. Wow, that's a good gift. And look how adorable. He is so adorable. Tons of like these candy jars with the lid of Santa. Oh, here's a gingerbread. You will get 2, which is always good to have, right? These are $8. And then more, let me pull this out. Minnie Mouse. Now those are porcelain, which is really nice because again, normally we find the bamboo ones. I like the dimpling on this jar. It's really cute. There's another Santa in the back. $5.99. I do feel like these Santa mugs here are a lot better than Target. Target has some odd looking ones. I don't know. I wasn't feeling them. Really want to look at this one a little more. I like this. The Giving Plate. This plate shall have no owner, for its journey never ends. It travels in a circle of our family and friends. It carries love from home to home for everyone to share. The food that is placed upon it is made with love and care. Supposed to pass those around. Do you guys pass those around? And you know what? Is that a Santa Lazy Susan? Let me move some stuff around. Oh, look at that, man. Here, can we hold that, babe? Is it glass? Wait. Yeah, it is glass. Look at that. I cannot pull it out. Yeah. And they're all tilting, so that is like absolutely cool. Put your stuff on it, and then you're looking at Santa's face because he's always watching.
Furniture and home access. You're sure to find the perfect place piece for a price that you'll love. Want to love it even more?
Some more cookie jars. Got the penguin dispenser for $7.
You'll also enjoy earning 5% back.
You know what? I cannot believe how crowded it is already. It is first thing in the morning. I head out here before work, and it is jam-packed. I mean, we're in it. We are in it. I'm kind of nervous, actually. I don't know why I'm nervous, but yeah, look at this Santa. Where's his eyeballs? Known for the holidays. I think I'm nervous because I know there's going to be a lot of noise in the back. And $5.99, and you know, people don't like noise. But we're in a store. Kate Spade. And that's a really cute salt and pepper shaker in the back. The snowman. And check this deer. Like casserole tray. That's really cool. For $13. It's really heavy. It's another oval one. And these Disney mugs. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Really, really different, but they're also so cute at the same time. I love finding odd stuff like this. 15. It's like a little creamer pour. Look at that.
Oh, that's cool.
It is cool, right? That back.
It's different.
It is different.
Yeah.
They have a friend's tray in the back. Oh, I wish. Oh, that one and one's gonna be Snoopy. I can't pull them out. Little spreaders. Cute, $5. You have silicone gingerbread. I can't pull it out. And then here's another one. Oh, it says Joy. I could turn this one around, right? That says Joy. Everything just gets stacked and stacked. I don't know how. Look at that. Like, you don't think that would fall? It's like, don't touch anything. It's like Jenga in the home decor area right now. Reindeer snacks, and then you have Santa. And really, really nice shades of blue for dinnerware. see how it's leaning. These are nice too with the gold rim. These are $5.99. Games. They're calling it gift for kids, right? Before and after. Okay. This is a good one, but I suggest this one be more for homeschool. We have before. What's it gonna do after? Blow out the candles. This is a really good one. I like it. USA, Brain Quest. And there's more stuff over here. Oh, what is this one? 15. It's a wooden game. They look like little crocodiles. They look really cute. Day and night globe. Oh, that's pretty cool. Like stuff like that. These are 8. Discovery, color creations. Kind of like a lot of learning games. Window art. Okay, this is a good one to have. Was it 10 bucks? Yeah, $9. Keep them busy. Picasso tiles are 25, which is also good. You get 56 in here. And this one you're gonna get like pear. It's gonna tell you they're not just plain, but these are also really, really good. I do know they have one for your fridge, like magnetic. $48 by FAO Schwartz. Look at all the trucks and oh gosh, so much. This is like grandkid central. And of course, baby dolls. You can't forget about the baby dolls. Oh my gosh, look at the Blue's Clues helmet. It has ears. That's kind of cool. I never seen that. The Child, Melissa and Doug, little dinosaur wooden puzzles. These are $7 and you will get 4. Now, I'm not sure if the puzzle is wood, but the box is. They kind of look like compressed cardboard and wood, maybe mixed. Here's the dinosaur one. What is that? Oh gosh, somebody jacked his head. Remember they were doing that? I guess they're still doing that. A waffle maker. That's a new one for me. Thin ice. Oh, kind of like don't break the ice. That's neat. Look at this little egg one. Peppa Pig. Oh.
Mama?
So funny. And they have pillowkins. This one reminds me of Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood right here. They're only $10. Oh my gosh. Look at this shark man. And it looks like a penguin with a bow tie. Tell me that's not cute. And look, we have like a little hipster sloth. These are so funny. I've never seen them. They're so cool. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here in Homegoods. Let me zoom out. There we go. These are like the mermaid tails to keep them warm. Little snuggle one. Looks like still Halloween costumes. These are called Smushy Pals. They're not Squishmallows, but they have a really, really cute shark one. I feel like that would be good for even your animal, your little fur baby. Look at this little otter guy. He is adorable too. Alright, you guys, please stay safe. And I will see all of you in the next one. Let me pull this guy out. Do you guys remember this? $8 here. But it was corduroy who had like to tie your shoe, the little buttons.